Hi dear Odooers, today we're diving into the world of click and collect. This feature bridges the gap between your online store and your physical locations, allowing your customers to shop online, then pick up their favorites in person. We'll walk through enabling the feature, setting up your pickup locations, and seeing exactly how it looks for your customers at checkout. Ready to get started? Then let's jump right in. Okay, let's start on our website's homepage and go to Configuration and Settings. And then we'll scroll down a little bit and we will tick the Click and Collect checkbox to enable the setting, and we will save. Okay, now let's click the Configure Pickup Locations link to configure the delivery method. But the good news is it's automatically created, so there's almost nothing to do. The only thing we can do is go to the Stores tab over here and select the warehouses where customers can collect their orders. Here, I previously configured 3 locations, but as we don't accept pickup at this location here in the middle, I will just remove it. Lastly, let's change the title over here and we can put Click and Collect, for example. We'll hit Save and there you go. Now let's head to our shop page and we will just add some products to our cart quickly with this easy quick button, and then we will just view our cart and proceed to checkout. Now here on my delivery page, I can see that the click and collect option is now available to my customers. As we have 2 pickup locations available, we can select a location, and here we see that we can choose between the 2 locations and they are displayed on the map. I will choose the one that is closest to me, which is this one. And it's also interesting to know that if you have pickup locations in different countries, you would be able to choose between countries with this selector over here. So we'll choose this location and we will confirm. Now here on the payment method page, by default, the Pay on Site method is enabled and published when the Click and Collect feature is activated. We'll select it and now I can either pay by cash or card while collecting my order. We'll confirm the order and there you go. And that's it for this video. Make sure to read our online documentation for more info and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.